When it comes to improving your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics, few upgrades make as big a difference as replacing single-pane windows with double-pane windows. If you're a homeowner in Houston, investing in double-pane windows can provide multiple benefits, especially considering the area's climate and weather conditions. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, double-pane windows offer long-term advantages that are too good to ignore. Enhanced energy efficiency. Houston is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters, which can put a strain on your air conditioning and heating systems. Double-pane windows are designed to help maintain a stable indoor temperature by creating an insulating barrier. The two panes of glass are separated by a layer of air or gas, like argon or krypton, which acts as a thermal insulator. This layer reduces the amount of heat that enters your home during the summer and keeps your indoor warmth in during the cooler months. By investing in double-pane windows, you can reduce the workload on your HVAC system, leading to lower energy consumption and smaller utility bills. Houston homeowners can particularly benefit from this feature during the peak summer months when air conditioning usage is at its highest. Noise reduction. Another great benefit of double-pane windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. Houston, like many big cities, can be noisy, with traffic, construction, and other urban sounds making their way into your home. Double-pane windows are more effective at blocking these noises compared to single-pane windows, which tend to let sound waves travel through more easily. The combination of the two glass panes and the insulating layer between them helps absorb and deflect sound, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This added noise reduction is particularly beneficial if your home is located in a busy neighborhood or near a highway. It allows you to enjoy a more serene living space without the constant hum of city noise intruding on your daily life. Improved home comfort. Double-pane windows help maintain a consistent temperature throughout your home, reducing hot spots and drafts. This is especially important in Houston, where the weather can fluctuate and cause discomfort in rooms that are exposed to direct sunlight or strong winds. With double-pane windows, you'll notice a more balanced indoor climate, as the insulating layer helps prevent heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. This consistency in temperature also makes your home feel more comfortable year-round. You won't have to deal with cold drafts in the winter or stifling heat in the summer, creating a more pleasant atmosphere in every room of your home. UV protection for your furniture. One often overlooked benefit of double-pane windows is the protection they offer against harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. Prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause your furniture, carpets, and artwork to fade over time. The additional layer in double-pane windows helps block a significant portion of these harmful rays, protecting your home's interior from sun damage. This UV protection is especially important in Houston, where sunny days are frequent, and the intense sunlight can be hard on interior furnishings. By installing double-pane windows, you can preserve the colors and textures of your home's decor for a longer time, saving you money on replacements and repairs. Increased home value. Home upgrades that focus on energy efficiency and comfort are always a smart investment. Double-pane windows can significantly increase the market value of your home. When potential buyers see that your home is equipped with modern, energy-efficient features like double-pane windows, they may be more willing to pay a higher price. Additionally, homes with double-pane windows are typically more attractive to buyers who are looking to reduce their utility bills and enjoy long-term savings. Conclusion: double-pane windows are a wise choice for homeowners in Houston who want to improve their home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. With benefits ranging from lower utility bills and noise reduction to UV protection and increased property value, it's clear that upgrading to double-pane windows can make a real difference. Whether you're focused on saving money or enhancing your living environment, double-pane windows are an investment that will pay off for years to come. Don't wait for another hot Houston summer. Consider upgrading your windows today and enjoy the comfort and savings that double-pane technology provides.